Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Liberty, Excelsior Springs, Richmond, Buckner, Bremer, Fork, Polo, Henrietta, Crystal Lakes, Sibley, Missouri City, Cowgill, Labacy, River Bend, Woods Heights, Rayville, Camden, Homestead, Fleming, and Prathersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately.
What do you mean?
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder,
you need to shut something down or
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
The feedback is certain because of the
In Missouri, Caldwell, Clay, Jackson, and Ray. Significant weather advisory for southeastern Clay, Ray, northwestern Carroll, southeastern Caldwell, and northeastern Jackson counties until 9 p.m. At 11 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Lawson to Woods Heights to near Missouri City to near Liberty. Movement was east at 30 miles per hour. Pea-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include
8:38 p.m.
Excelsior Springs, Richmond, Pleasant Valley, Fork, Glenare, Crystal Lakes, Sibley, Missouri City, Excelsior Estates.
Stop recording. Stop recording. Button.
Mosby, Homestead, Prathersville, and Knoxville. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 76, effective until midnight Thursday. This watch includes the following county: Douglas, Kansas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Camera chooser. Back. Camera. Stop recording.